Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a fascinating development in the world of Apple's MacBook Neo. Recently, a Chinese repair shop made headlines by upgrading the MacBook Neo's storage capacity from 256GB to a whopping 1TB. This isn't just a simple upgrade, it's a modification that bypasses Apple's official storage limit, and it raises some intriguing questions about the future of MacBook Neo and Apple's approach to storage expansion. First things first, let's talk about why this upgrade is significant. Apple's MacBook Neo, introduced in March 2026, comes with a starting price of $599 in the US and €699 in Europe. It boasts a 13-inch Liquid Retina display, a 6-core CPU, and a 5-core GPU, all powered by the A18 Pro chip. While it's an impressive machine, one of its drawbacks is the fixed storage capacity. Apple uses soldered NAND chips, which means that upgrading the storage is a complex process that requires micro-soldering and could void the warranty. Now, let's fast forward to the Chinese repair shop's achievement. By replacing the onboard NAND package, they were able to increase the storage capacity to 1TB. This is a significant feat, as it demonstrates the potential for users to expand the storage of the MacBook Neo beyond Apple's intended limits. But what makes this even more interesting is the fact that the machine reportedly completed the mod without any firmware issues, and storage performance seemed normal afterward, with some write speed improvement shown in testing. So, what does this mean for the future of MacBook Neo and Apple's approach to storage expansion? Well, in my opinion, it highlights a major disadvantage of the MacBook Neo compared to its Windows counterparts. While the price and performance may be adequate for this segment, the inability to easily upgrade the storage is a significant drawback. If Apple wants to make the MacBook Neo more practical and competitive, addressing this issue with a future successor would be a smart move. But here's the thing, this upgrade isn't something that most users would attempt. It requires specialized tools and knowledge, and it's not something that Apple would likely encourage. However, it does raise an important question. What does this say about the future of laptop design and the role of repairability? As technology advances, will we see more devices with fixed components that are difficult or impossible to upgrade? Or will we see a return to removable storage and other consumer-friendly upgrade options? In my view, this upgrade is a wake-up call for laptop manufacturers, including Apple. It highlights the importance of offering consumer-friendly upgrade options and the need to design devices that are easier to service and repair. As we move forward, it will be interesting to see how companies respond to this challenge and whether they prioritize repairability and upgradability in their designs. So, what do you think? Is this upgrade a game-changer for MacBook Neo, or is it just a temporary solution? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights and analysis. Thanks for watching.